Count your many blessings, name them one by one, and it will surprise you what God has done.
Yo, everybody, when you feeling down and boo-hooing and illin' and junk, you gotta look around and count your blessings. Yeah.
Count your blessings, name them one by one. Count your blessings, see what God has done. Count your blessings, name them one by one. Count your many blessings, see what God has done. When upon life's billows you are tempest-tossed, when you are discouraged thinking all is lost, count your many blessings, name them one by one, and it will surprise you what the Lord has done. Count your blessings, name them one by one. Count your blessings, see what God has done. Count your blessings, name them one by one. Count your many blessings, see what God has done. Are you ever burdened with the load of care? Does the cross seem heavy? You are called to bear. Count your many blessings, every doubt will fly, and you will be singing as the days go by. Count your blessings, name them one by one. Count your blessings, see what God has done. Count your blessings, name them one by one. Count your many blessings, see what God has done. One, our family. Three, our friends. Four, the world. Can you count 'em? Can you count 'em? We can count 'em. No, can you count 'em? Can you count 'em? We can count 'em. Can you count 'em? Can you count 'em? We can count 'em. No, can you count 'em? Can you count 'em? We can count 'em.
When you're looking at others with the lands and gold, think that Christ has promised you his wealth untold. Yeah. Count your many blessings, money's never gonna buy your reward in heaven or your home on high.
Count your blessings, name them one by one. Count your blessings, see what God has done. Count your blessings, name them one by one. Count your many blessings, see what God has done. Count your blessings, name them one by one. Count
Better stop that boo-hooing and illin'.
has done.
Just look around and count those blessings.
Name them one by one. Count your many blessings, see what God has done.
Count your many blessings, name them one by one, and it will surprise you what God has done.
Yo, everybody, when you feeling down and boo-hooing and illin' and junk, you gotta look around and count your blessings. Yeah.
Count